Hey Peppets, welcome to week 30. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
You got quite the amount of food there.
So we got our nice delicious macaroni in. We got our frites, is the professional way to say it. We've got our chicken tenders and multiple assortments of dipping sauce.
Wow.
We plan on having 3 people, but we only have 2.
It's okay. Hey Peppets. I'm on my way to church to lead worship and I got some Starbucks. Going to church, gonna lead worship. I kinda can't talk because I'm sick, so we'll see how that goes, but I wish me luck. Gracie and I are at Panera and we're ordering our food right now. We just came from church.
Did you swipe
It's a party.
it? Sorry.
I swiped mine, but
Where?
mine didn't have it.
Where?
Oh, swipe here.
Dude, I'm so
Oh wait, what?
What?
Oh! We're eating our bundt cakes now, and we just like spent money we didn't need to spend, but that's okay. I'm in a really weird mood. I like want it to be tomorrow because I want to like hang out with people. I don't even really know what I want right now, but like I want it to be tomorrow, but I don't want it to be tomorrow because I don't want to have to like worry about homework. But I'm bored right now. I want to read my book, but I know if I read, I'm just gonna fall asleep. Hey Peppets, I just got to BC. I have a little while before my class starts, so I'm gonna hang out with Aislinn, and then I'm gonna study. I have like an hour and a half. ESEC was good. Got to hang out with some friends, do some homework. It's been a pretty good day so far, except for the fact that I'm really kind of sick. Like I don't know, I'm pretty sick. I'm honestly just so tired and done, and I've had to drive a lot today, but that is okay. Right now I'm headed to pick up Aislinn, and then we're going to youth group, and that's about it. But I have been just straight doing like homework and class today, and I'm a little exhausted. Hey Peppets.
Hi,
Peppets.
Yes,
Is that like your fandom name?
Yeah.
I'm dead.
We're at youth group. It is Tuesday. I'm at BC. I'm about to go to class. I'm really tired. I did homework like all morning, like non-stop. So that was exhausting, but I'm glad because like I got a lot of stuff done, and tomorrow and the next day I'm getting coffee with people, so like gotta make sure I get the homework done early on in the week so that I can spend time with peeps. And yeah, I have ceramics now, which is gonna be really chill, so yeah. Okay. Whoa. I just finished and I kind of like felt like it cut me off, but I kind of like felt like I was dying in that class because I'm sick, and I like all of a sudden like I'm super thirsty because I forgot my water bottle, so my throat's really dry, and I thought I was feeling like super feverish. It's no bueno, but then we made coil pots and that was fun, and then I got out 20 minutes early, so now I'm going home. Hey Peppets. For the last few hours I have just been kind of chilling and eating dinner and resting a little bit, and now I'm heading to dance, so that'll be a party, but I'm kind of tired. Honestly. Almost didn't go because I'm sick, but I've been really trying to keep my attendance good at dance, so hopefully I won't like die. But yeah, I'm just realizing I forgot this. I have a pretty chill morning. I'm just kind of hanging out, working on some homework, and then I'm gonna go get coffee with Nicole, and then I'm gonna go get lunch with Thomas. Hey Peppets, I just got home from dance and I'm really sleepy, but I think I'm gonna like read and shower instead. I don't think I got it. You can't. I can't do now. Got Chick-fil-A. Hey Peppets. So I had to go to the doctor to pick up my foot thing. I don't even know. But now it's time for me to like do homework. And I'm really sleepy. And I have to write an essay. And I really don't want to. And I'm just kind of like dreading it. Gracie and I are at Michael's and we're getting stuff for the football game, and it's our two teams against each other. So Gracie's getting white stuff and I'm getting neon stuff, and I don't even really know if the theme is neon, but you know, felt a water drop on my face. Oh no! I almost rubbed off my jewel because I forgot. We're on our way to the football game now. We're like walking to it.
Oh no.
We're a little wet.
Hey, I actually look somewhat decent.
I don't.
We both look like crap. I just think my car's
You can't see it, but Eastlake won 37-6. Ha ha ha. Okay, Beppins, I'm still a little wet. Gracie's over there. We got back a little bit ago, but I have to like edit the vlog and be annoying, but that's okay. It's been a good week. Actually, it's been a really stressful week, but that's okay. We're making it through. I start my solo tomorrow, so that's pretty fun stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please come back next week for more. I love you all. Bye. Gracie, say bye.
Bye.
Boom, a kiss.
You're not even showing. You're showing my bathroom. I'm over here.
Love you, kiss.